closed. Oh no. It's not my day. It really isn't. And it's starting to rain. Oh my goodness. I put up with the wind all day and now it's starting to rain. Oh, it's not my day today. It really isn't. Do you like my Federico Fellini films? Don't understand much of them unless they got subtitles. You know, at least it's not raining. It's not raining. It rained yesterday. I think we've come to a dead end. Oh no, come on. College or something, which means I'm trespassing, but that needn't matter because I'm making a video and it's starting to rain. Oh, I was hoping the rain would hold off today. There's a few spots in the air and there's a salesman selling Pisa umbrellas. There we go.
Good price.
No, I don't want to buy an umbrella. I have one, thank you. No, I don't want to. No, I don't need to buy one, honestly. I know it's raining. I've got one in here. It stopped raining. Good choice not to buy an umbrella. I saved myself €5. Been accosted several times by street vendors. I think there's one street vendor for every tourist. There's still spots of rain in the air. And there's still umbrella salesmen trying to accost me. It was worth getting up at 12:30 this morning to get to the airport to fly here just to see this. Oh, absolutely brilliant.